This video shows you how to replace the convenience stapler on your printer. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Unplug the power supply from the electrical outlet. Remove the column cover and power supply cable. And then remove the used convenience stapler. Unpack the new convenience stapler. Connect the power supply to the new convenience stapler. Install the new convenience stapler. Position the power supply properly. Attach the column cover. Connect the power supply to the electrical outlet. When the blue light comes on, perform a staple test. Connect one end of the printer power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.